All right, welcome fellow entrepreneurs. I just want to make this really quick tutorial video for Shopify and Shopify statuses and if Shopify is down. Well, yeah, I have a Shopify store. I have many Shopify stores and I've had so for a decade now. And a lot of the time there are random issues on the Shopify platform that you really can't control. However, you can see if there is an outage. If you go to shopifystatus.com, we can literally see a issue that just popped up just like that. I was working on my stores, obviously this morning, it's a weekday morning, and there were some connectivity issues. There were random crashes. And so of course I have shopifystatus.com bookmarked because there are active issues all the time. And they are consolidated onto this one page here. So on this page, it shows you the area of service, checkout, reports, dashboard, API, mobile, third-party services support, and point of sale. And then here at the top, if there's an issue, it shows you what the issue is, where it is impacting, and then the status of the issue. So if you think you're having an issue, like I have done this many times, if I'm having an issue and I check the Shopify status page and it says there's nothing here, I go to Shopify support and they report it, or they say they report it, or they bring it to whoever. And then sometimes it's a more widespread outage affecting a lot of merchants, not just me. And then I guess if multiple people are reporting the same thing, they declare this issue and they put it on the Shopify status board right here. So I highly recommend to bookmark this page, shopifystatus.com. And then for example, if we look into this, admin not loading correctly for some stores, we can see the scope of what is happening. The status usually changes from identified to reported to investigating and then to resolved. And you can see if what they're describing is exactly what's happening to you or not, or maybe you're having a different issue. So here are the different levels of outages that they could have. No known issues, as we can see in all these areas. We can see a partial outage in this issue right here in the admin. And then we can see there's a storefront issue that has been degraded, maintenance, outage. There's all kinds of things that can happen. Tech is kind of funny like that, but I know how you feel. I run a lot of Shopify stores, and one day you just want to wake up and you need to get something done, and then you can't, and then you see there are a bunch of active issues right now, and all you can kind of do is, I don't know, maybe report it to the support team or just continually to look when this gets identified or resolved. These things happen all the time. Earlier this month, there was an issue with shipping labels, and I was literally clicking like the shipping label page on my orders, and it was just not working. And I kept refreshing and it wasn't working. And then I eventually had to go talk to support because this was not working for me. And they told me that there was like a major incident, a major outage. It wasn't on this page that I saw, but there was a minor or major incident at the time. So I thought I'd just make this quick video if anybody's ever wondering or stressing out because their store isn't working or there's a partial outage on a page on their store. Just double check the Shopify status page and it can give you a lot more information. Bookmark this page, you can quickly check and you can see if there's an identified or an issue being investigated that is then completed, resolved, and you can get back to normal. I hope this helps, fellow entrepreneur. Hopefully you're not stressing too bad, but these things happen all the time. You just have to wait and watch, I suppose. But if this helps, like the video so I know. If you want to join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs so we can all grow our small businesses together from sharing our experiences, consider subscribing. And if you do, I'll see you in the next video.